everybody, it's Give Me Plur here. Today I'm going to the beach. I'm going to take you guys with me for the day. This is going to be a vlog, obviously. I'm super excited because today is the first day. Today's the first day, I guess, of summer or at least it's not the first day of summer, but today is the first day I'm like doing a summer activity, which is going to the beach. So I'm really excited. It's like 90 degrees outside. I've already missed most of the day waiting on my friend Samantha, who we will see soon. She says she's on her way, but she's still not here. That colored people time. So I am about to go to the store and get some alcohol, and then I guess hopefully by the time I get back, she'll be here. So this is my outfit. I got this, a little boob out. I got this outfit or this swimsuit from Boohoo. I'll leave the link in the description box. And then I got this sarong from Bali. It's a store in Bali. I forget how you pronounce it, but I'll put the link in the description below so you guys can get it. I really like this sarong. It's very, very soft, very well made, and it's very pretty. I just love it so much. So, okay, let's go to the store. So, it is beautiful outside. It is very nice out. I'm so happy that it's the summertime. I hate the winter, and I know that's stupid because I live in Chicago, but I do. So, this is my baby right here, Simone. She's kind of dirty. But Jesus Christ, guys, I don't know if you guys were looking at my Instagram. Somebody scratched my car. They keyed my car. I don't even know why. But they fucking they tried to destroy my beautiful baby. But, you know, you gotta do a little bit more than that to get me down. So, we are on our way to the store. I'm like so pissed that Samantha is not here. I'm at Antique Taco right now, still waiting on fucking Samantha and her cousin. I just got some Antique Taco. I didn't bring you guys in there with me because I forgot. I have not been vlogging really, and I don't really vlog that often, so I just forgot to bring the camera. But I got the alcohol. I'm like really trying to budget my money, and I'm also kind of broke from EDC, so I got something for like 10 bucks. Let me show you. Oh, my titty. Oops. Everything's falling apart. I don't know how I'm gonna go to the beach with this thing if it keeps showing my tits. Okay. So I literally just got some Svedka and some cranberry juice. That was about like 10 bucks. And then I got a little something from Antique Taco, and that was 10 bucks. So that's all my little money right there. Yeah, EDC really destroyed my bank account, but I am taking applications for sponsors. I am not quid pro quo, so there will be nothing reciprocated on my end, but I will gladly take your money. So I'm finally with these bitches. They're making me drive. Are you recording? Yeah, I'm recording.
She with me now. She
somebody behind me? Okay, is this, how do I do?
Okay, this is drive. Look,
okay.
See,
that's part.
Fuck it, I'm grown. He don't know.
Oh, I just tap it?
He don't know.
This is kind of cool. And also scary if I was high. Because I don't know how to do it.
How to what?
This car.
Okay, let me vlog. You just look, this bitch give hell. I got something to say. I got something to say.
It's on you.
I want to hold it.
No, I don't want to pass it.
I want to hold it. That's not fair. Give me here. This shit we gotta go through. Come here.
No.
Listen.
They can see you, your beautiful self.
Hi guys. So we're finna go to the beach. We're finna go downtown beach for all the white folks.
First tell them what time it is that we're trying to do all this.
That's not the right time. It is officially 4:10.
It's 4:10 and Iman Johnny's
Ooh, 10 minutes.
shitting bricks because the sun is gonna go down and she can't have a fucking tan. But she just came from EDC. The bitch already got a tan.
No, it was not that. It was not that hot at EDC.
That sucks.
Cause it's in May. I don't like it. I'm gonna vlog about that too, bitch.
What did you go on May last year?
Fucking insomniac events trying to make it so motherfuckers don't get a heat stroke. We need that heat stroke. That's the only type of heat we get. That's the first type of heat most of us Midwesterners even get for the year. We expect that heat.
Exactly. We got coolers, we got bottles, we got all that.
Hi, little baby. You ready to go to the beach? Is this his first time at the beach or no? This is your first beach day. So we finally made it to the beach, and there are polices behind us. I can't even put them in. I don't want to cause attention, but we basically have to hide our alcohol. We got a really cool ass police officer, so we're about to do a little transaction. Put this vodka in these water bottles. Good thing we did light today. Bryce also helped us out, looking so cute. He was just like, we can't be mean to these black ladies with this beautiful chocolate baby right here. Yeah. Operation transfer alcohol to water balls. I said water balls.
There go one empty water bottle. There go.
We really just need
Well, let me drink.
probably
God
two.
damn it, bitch. Let me drink it.
We have multiple.
All that water going to waste and Flint, and this is what you do?
Just record me doing
This is what you do.
Damn it, my nails is too fucking long to turn it off. Or just take off the top from me. Damn, it's a lot of police around here. They trying to.
Such a beautiful background, and look what we're doing. You know, I wouldn't trade this life for shit. Look at our fellow peers. These the motherfuckers who scared to go in there with their drink. We savage. Tell them, Bryce.
They can go to the bottom.
You
of the
know
cooler.
nothing. We got you on camera. We got you on camera. Look, Imani should never have kids. Look at this bitch. My first baby.
Hey y'all.
We're at motherfucking Oak Street Beach. Just chilling.
She's the rapper, you know, she's the bitch don't know.
Nah, she's trying to cut me off, but that bitch don't know. I'm about to go off. I'm finna spit the bars. I'm finna go off. No motherfucker can touch my bars. I go hard. I rhyme to the motherfucking stars. They don't know I climb the bars. I don't know what I'm saying, but I'ma keep going. I'ma keep going. So it looks cold outside, but it's hot as a bitch. I'm fucking sweating. My forehead oily. I'm so mad that I still have this on. I mean, I love EDC, but I'm ready for it to be over on my wrist. I'm supposed to take these pictures when I got this shit on my wrist. How you feeling? We almost didn't make it. I had little faith. See, that's supposed to be the sun right there, but the fucking clouds is covering it. So my hair looks a little different. Samantha done did something to it to make it sit up like a pineapple. We're chilling, we're still drinking. We're getting shit in order for Samantha to get a babysitter. So So hopefully, hopefully this bitch can get a babysitter, and then that way we can turn up for real. Bye. I saw what's going on last night. The way you showed out on that dick, bitch, you performed last night. Woo! Hey.
I love that part. That's your part.
I fucked up. I changed the song. Somebody killed a motherfucking DJ. Okay, so we were just talking about Samantha's first rave since we are fucking lit right now. Okay, so the first rave that Samantha has ever been to, because the only reason why we were talking about this is because Regine said that she has never been to a rave, and I'm trying to convince her to go to Spring Awakening. So now that we're talking about it, this bitch's first rave, I flew her out to Colorado to go to Hollow freaking Wing. That's right. 2015. We had a great time. I'll plug in some pictures.
Yes.
We had a great fucking time.
We had a great time. I was a fucking sexy sailor.
Yes.
She was a fucking...
She's a sexy sailor.
She was like a Joker kind of bitch.
I was like a sexy dead clown.
Dead clown?
Yeah.
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 We have pictures coming soon. And we had a ball. We didn't
We didn't do anything. So, can everyone convince Regine to come with us to this Spring Awakening Fest?
I think I might go.
Alright, well, if we don't see this bitch there, then we already know this bitch ain't about her word. And we can't trust her no more. Aw, what you...
Hair cutting. Wait.
A little baby. Go crazy, go crazy.